In the vast seas of Asia, where the waves ceaselessly kiss the shores, fishermen toil tirelessly, silently contributing to the massive fishing industry. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover a unique profession, a path filled with challenges, the journey of harvesting 1.9 million tons of sand eels annually across Asia's coastal regions. These small eels fuel an entire economy, providing a livelihood for countless families. Sand eels, these small, slender creatures are a precious resource along Asia's coastlines. For generations, they have been a gift from the ocean to those who live by the sea. Especially in coastal fishing villages in Japan, Korea, China, and Vietnam, sand eels are not only a nutritious food source but also offer a steady income, helping many fishing families through life's difficulties. The figure of 1.9 million tons per year may sound immense, but reaching that number is no easy feat. Fishermen face countless challenges, from sudden storms and deep underwater currents to long, cold nights spent at sea. Sand eel fishing requires not only skill but also patience and bravery. These special creatures are resilient, hiding under thick layers of sand at the bottom of the sea. Adapted to salty waters, sand eels dwell deep below, and their sharp instincts make fishing a challenging endeavor. They are known for their quick swimming and ability to hide when sensing danger. To better understand them, fishermen have learned to observe traces on the sand and wait for each wave to retreat to spot signs of eels. With dim lights flickering on the sea, they understand that each tiny mark on the sand may lead to a successful day. It is said that to catch sand eels, fishermen need not only skill but intuition. Each fisherman has their methods, from traditional tools to today's modern equipment. In the past, people mainly used nets and traps, a meticulous yet artful approach that reflects the expertise of seasoned seafarers. One traditional technique involves fan-shaped net casting, a skillful, precise maneuver. With advancing technology, fishermen now use modern tools, like GPS for precise positioning, and automatic fishing systems. The blend of traditional wisdom with technology has optimized productivity while ensuring sustainable harvesting without depleting marine resources. At dawn, as the first light peeks over the ocean, fishermen head out with humble boats. This is not just a job, it is a cultural heritage. In some fishing villages, sand eel fishing is a legacy passed down through generations. Every technique, every experience is a treasured asset. Mr. Barr, a fisherman with over 40 years of experience, shares that each time he casts his net, he feels as if he is facing both the ocean and life itself. The sea taught me to listen and to be patient. One careless moment can cost a day's work, but with patience and keen observation, success will come. His words are a lesson all fishermen carry in their hearts. Manual techniques are more than just a way to catch eels. They help strengthen community bonds. Each voyage brings the village together in shared work and rewards, creating what fishermen call collegiality on the sea, a connection unique to their trade. With modern advancements, sand eel fishing has taken major steps forward. Fishermen now use both traditional methods and high-tech equipment to improve efficiency. GPS technology helps them accurately locate eel-rich areas, reducing labor and shortening fishing time. Automatic fishing systems allow nets to be cast and reeled in with minimal manpower. Mr. Tan, a young fisherman with a modern outlook, shares, "Technology has changed our lives, making work less exhausting and safer. Yet, we must preserve traditional techniques for long-term sustainability. Though technology eases fishing, every fisherman knows they must avoid overharvesting. Each voyage is a commitment to nature and the sea, a responsibility only true sea lovers fully grasp. Despite the steady income, sand eel fishing is fraught with hardships. Facing nature's unpredictability, fishermen encounter violent storms and large waves in the dead of night. Many have ventured out only to never return. Fisherman Lamb recalls, "Once, our boat capsized in a storm. We were lucky to survive." Each trip is a gamble with fate. Aside from harsh weather, climate change severely impacts sand eel stocks. As ocean temperatures shift or pollution rises, eel numbers dwindle, forcing fishermen to venture farther into unknown waters. Not only do they contend with natural obstacles, but fishing regulations also require strict adherence to protect ecosystems. Complying with these regulations can be challenging, yet most fishermen understand it is the only way to preserve the sea for future generations. Amid challenges, fishing life is filled with touching stories. Families across generations have dedicated themselves to the sea, upholding values and traditions. Fisherman Min, who has been tied to the sea since childhood, shares a memory of catching sand eels with his father. "My father told me that if you want the sea to give fish and eels, you must respect it. The sea is the mother of fishermen, and sand eels are gifts from Mother Nature." Simple meals and evenings by oil lamps after a hard day are cherished by every fisherman. Modest yet warm, these meals connect family members, passing down tales of the ocean, experiences, and dreams to the next generation. Despite living in tough conditions, fishermen remain steadfast, optimistic, and proud of their work. To them, every voyage is an adventure, every catch a small joy, keeping them bound to the sea and their calling.